Right, so the last clip we did rounds 1 to 4, and in this clip we're going to do rounds 5 and 6. Now on your first couple of squares you might find it useful to mark the corners. Now you're in the corner here. To identify the corner, if you go to the stitch that you did the 3 half trebles in, which is there, if you pinch at the side of the last half treble, tip it forward, that's the top of the third stitch, that's the top of the middle stitch. So pop a marker in there, it'll just keep you right. And again you can pop a marker in this corner, so there's the third half treble, mark the second one, and there, third half treble, mark the second one. So you're going to carry the white round with you as we go, and all the rounds that include the white are just double crochet. So 1 chain and then 3 half treble into 3 double crochet into the same stitch, carrying the white behind, and on the third stitch you're going to change to white. So 1, 2, 3, and finish it in white. And now you're going to be doing front post double trebles around the trebles from round 2. So this is the round we're looking at next to the popcorn stitch. So yarn over twice, and you're looking for the third treble of this corner. Now the first one was 3 chain, but it still counts as a treble. So 1, 2, 3. So you're going in front to back and back out, make your double treble and finish it in green. So 1, 2, drop the white, bring the green back, finish it in green. Now you're going to skip the next 2 stitches from the previous round. The easiest way to identify the stitch you need to go into, you're going to be making 5 green double crochet across here, and the stitch immediately above your popcorn stitch, that's your centre stitch. So that's stitch 3 of 5, so you could go 3, 2, 1, and that is where you need to go in. Carry the white behind, 5 double crochet, and finish the 5th one in white. So 1, 2, there's the middle stitch, 3, 4, 5, and finish it in white. Just pull the green out of the way. Okay, and then you're going to go front post double treble around the first of these 3 trebles from round 2. So yarn over twice, front to back, out, and finish this one in green as well. 1, 2, drop the white, bring the green back, push the white to the back, and then you're going to go straight into the corner stitch. So you're skipping the last stitch on that side and into there, and just take the marker out. Nice. Carry the white behind and 3 double crochet into the corner stitch. 1, 2, finish the last one in white. Yarn over twice and a front post double treble around the third of the trebles from round 2. And finish it in green. And again you're going to do 5 double crochet across this side. The stitch immediately above the popcorn stitch is your middle stitch, so that's 3 of 5, so 3, 2, 1. Skipping these 2 stitches into there, carrying the white behind, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th stitch, finish it in white, yarn over twice, front post double treble round the first treble of that corner. So when you finish that stitch, finish it in green, 3 double crochet into the corner stitch, that one. Finish the 3rd stitch in white, yarn over twice, front post double treble round the 3rd treble of that corner, and so on until you get back to the beginning, and I shall meet you back here. Alright, here we are, nearly at the end of round 5. I've got the last front post double treble to do, and that's round the 3 chain at the beginning of round 2. So yarn over twice, under the chain, back out, and finish it in green. Okay, and I've already completed the corner of this section, so we're going to just slip stitch into the first of those double crochet, so into there, and then slip stitch to the centre stitch. Just keep the white going for the moment because you'll need it not in this coming round but in the next one. So slip into the centre stitch, and then you can pull that one snug. The nice thing about this round is you know when you've got the right number of stitches, as you should have 3 green stitches in the corner, 1 white, 5 green, 1 white, 3 in the corner, all the way around. Obviously the corner that we're in looks a bit odd, but you've got the 2 stitches either side, and then this bit is your corner. So round 6 is half trebles. Don't need to carry the white round. And we're going to be making some spaces for some more popcorn stitches. So the corner for these is half treble, 2 chain, half treble. So the first one you have to do 2 chain for your half treble, 2 chain for your 2 chain, and a half treble back into the same stitch. Okay, so that's your corner. So then you're going to do a half treble into the next 3 stitches, so green, white, green, green, white, green, then chain 1, skip the next stitch, half treble into the middle of those 5, chain 1, skip 1, and then half treble into the next 3 stitches, green, white, green. And then into the corner stitch, half treble, 2 chain, half treble. So the same along the side, so half treble into green, white, green, chain 1, skip 1, half treble into the centre of the 5, chain 1, skip 1, half trebles into the next 3 stitches, green, white, green, that's not good, just pull that out, I've split the stitch. So that was the half treble, 1 chain, skip a stitch, half treble into green, white, green, and then the corner is half treble, 2 chain, half treble. So you're going to carry on with this until you get back to the beginning. So 3 half trebles into green, white, green, 1 chain, skip a stitch, half treble, 1 chain, skip a stitch, 3 half trebles, green, white, green, corner, half treble, 2 chain, half treble, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, we're almost at the end of round 6, so I've done the half treble into the centre, so 1 chain, and you should miss a skip stitch, and you should have green, white, green at the end. So half treble, and again this stitch might be a bit stiff because it's the slip stitch from the previous round, and just carry the white. If you haven't carried it at this point, make sure that it's with you. I'd got it to this point, so I don't need to take it on this one. And now we're going to slip to the second chain of this 4 chain at the beginning of the round. So 1, 2 into the second stitch, bring the white with you here, slip there, and then slip into the chain space itself. And then you're ready for the next round. You can pull this stitch tight. With the previous one there, you want to keep relatively loose because you're going to be working into it. So that is the end of round 6.